Oh my god, I am completely barefaced tonight because it is a very special occasion. Oreo is going to be doing my makeup and I'm quite nervous about it. He's literally never done anything with makeup in his life. He's like in the dark. Like he already has been asking me questions. He's like, what does this do? Or like, what is this? And I'm just like, am I gonna be sad with this whole thing? Probably, Sailor. You're probably gonna be very disappointed in life after this.
Oh man.
Are you guys gonna do full face or just eyes? No, full face. Full face. He's doing. I am bare-faced right now. I've never been live on my stream completely bare-faced like I am now, so I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm very afraid. But like, I don't know if I'm gonna look worse or better after he does the makeup. Try to make me pretty, okay?
I will do my best.
Okay.
Where do I start?
It's like it's gonna be so hard.
You've been doing it for like 10 years.
It's just
now.
gonna be like so hard for me not to help you because I don't know. I just do whatever feels right, Oreo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Whatever feels
I'll
right.
trust my manly, knows nothing about makeup instincts.
So I brought all my products that I own down here, besides all my eyeshadow palettes. So the eyeshadow palettes that I'm giving him to use are Conspiracy, and then if he like wants and needs like more neutral tones, then I also brought my MAC Artist palette that is just browns. Here's the prompt. I want you to do like, I'm going clubbing and I want to look hot as beep. I want you to do that.
Okay.
I'm very scared to be letting him do this. Like, I'm very scared.
Don't worry.
I don't know about this.
Have faith
I don't know
in
about
me.
this.
I'm gonna get started.
Okay, he's gonna get started.
Okay, you need to... Can you put your hair backwards?
Yes, yeah.
Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to give you a very, very good makeup tutorial. And you will learn many things. We are going to start. And I think this is what goes first. And it is cover effects. And it is a perfect setting powder. You put it on your face, so all of the makeup sets nicely on your face. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just taking a random brush that I found. I'm sure it'll work. Your face is in a constant state of like, what is he doing?
I'm in a constant state of like horror. What's happening?
I got some real hair.
Are you gonna ruin my Twitch sweatshirt? Please don't ruin my
I hope not. I don't know what I'm doing.
Tell him. Describe what you're doing.
I am putting on this powder that says perfect setting powder. Why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing.
Now comes the part where I'm super confused about what goes first or if they even go together at all. So I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna go with the liquid first. I'm very scared. I don't know how much to use at all, so that's gonna be fun. It looks like I don't know. I think I'm ruining your stuff. So I'm just gonna put it on your face and we'll see how it goes.
What's happening?
It's hard to see this side of your face. Oh, this is rough. I don't know what I'm doing.
My goal by the end of tonight is for my husband to have a whole new appreciation of how much work I put into my look when we go out and stuff. I want him to know how much work I put into making myself beautiful.
Oh my god, it looks bad. It looks fine on here, but...
Now you know my struggle. When I stream, it's like, I look in the mirror and I'm like, well, my makeup looks fine in the mirror. And then I go on camera and I'm like, what in the world? Okay, so make me look beautiful. Like I'm going out to the club and I am going to be the prettiest girl in the club. I actually really like it. It's not as like drying. Like, I don't know. I just feel like it goes on really nicely and smoothly. I mean, when I apply it.
Oh man. I'm tempted to just go straight for the eyeshadow now, but I'm sure there's more to it. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline Mineral Power Natural Perfecting Powder Foundation with micro minerals. I don't think this is the right brush for it, but I'm just gonna go for it.
Hello, how you doing?
What did I do? What is this?
Immediate regret.
What is this? I don't think that's the right color, honestly. What is next?
Honey, there's a lot to do. Guys, he needs help. If he... Please help him. Like, there's so much to do. He doesn't even know, like, what else to do. Like, just look at my face, basically, and look at what needs correcting, and then do that. Oh my god.
I'm going in for the eyebrows. So, you just put it on there. Oh, man. I don't have a steady hand at all, so... Oh man, this is bad.
What do you guys think? How do you think he's doing so far? They said it's a look. It's a look.
It's a look.
It's a look. It's a look.
Okay, okay. I know what to do. No, is that how it goes?
You didn't tell people what you're using.
I'm using some... I don't know, some Master Conceal by Face Studio camouflaging concealer. It's
oh
like
my god,
dripping.
you're dripping on my keyboard!
It says to use my fingers, so we're gonna try that. Ugh, why is it oily? Okay, we're gonna have to blend that in. This is a lot, I think. And then, do I put concealer here too? Now we need to blend this in. Conceal, don't feel. I don't know how the rest goes. I'm getting it on your nose. I don't know if it's supposed to be on your nose. Oh man, this is rough.
Just try not to make me go blind.
I'm trying. I know we need to do like some like contouring or something. Now what color am I going to use? You clearly don't use a pink one a lot, so I'll probably won't go for that one.
Yeah, inside I'm like, oh, my eyes, they're like, help.
I don't think this is it.
Honey, confidence, confidence. Just be confident.
What am I doing? How does this work? There, now you're a clown, but not quite a clown yet. Oh no, this is not it. Hey, this is kind of working. A little bit. Pro tip for anyone who is trying to learn from this, always blend in your stuff, because then it'll look better. Kind of want to do something adventurous. And I'm gonna go for this pink.
Guys, he says he wants to do something adventurous.
I don't know why I'm doing all of it on... You look like you're a little burnt. Oh man, I'm just giving you all the blush.
Oh, what are we doing now? That's wet.
I'm taking some of the eyebrows off.
You're taking some of my eyebrows off?
Hey.
No! Sunburnt Hills. That's cool. You guys, after we're all done here, you guys can name the look and... We can post on Instagram and, you know, maybe trend. Do you think it looks worse in camera or in person?
I think it looks fine, honestly.
Okay. That's a bold cheek. It is. It is. It is.
I'm going to start using the makeup, the eyeshadow palette, because that's the only thing I can think of at this moment.
So let's say I'm your client and I'm going to you as a makeup artist. I want a very colorful, bold look. I want to look like I'm going to Carnival. Gently, let me just show you how... I'm gonna show you how the first dips. You don't. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I thought I was the makeup professional here.
Why are you choking me?
I'm sorry. You might look a little bit like a clown. I'm sorry about that. This is looking really bad.
What happened to your confidence from earlier?
I'm just trying to tone it down a little bit.
Why are you choking me again?
Oh man, I'm making a mess. Yeah, I think I'm done.
He says he's done.
The eyeshadow. Listen, you asked for more color, so I'm giving you more color. Oh man, this is not good.
It's not that bad. Like...
It's pretty bad. It's very uneven. I'm not using a right brush for this. I just picked...
What brush are you using?
I don't know, it says smoky liner brush.
Why? What the heck?
I was trying to get rid of some powder.
What was that?
And now I'm gonna go in. I don't know if this is the one you use, but it's an eyeliner.
I need everyone to stop what they're doing right now and say a little prayer for me. You're back to choking me again?
I'm not choking you. And how do people do eyeliner?
I do it almost every day.
I don't have a steady hand for this. Oh no. This is the part that I was most worried about.
Oh my god! What have you done?
I was trying to make a tip, but it was not working.
What has happened?
Man, there goes all my confidence.
So you had confidence up until now?
Yeah. I tried to. I'm terrible at this.
Oh no. Oh no.
I'm gonna leave it at that.
Oh,
That's
no.
all I can do. This part scares me because I'm like ready to poke your eye.
I'll do my bottom because
we need to
it's
finish
a little...
it off with some lipstick.
Oh yeah. Okay. Wow. We did it. Mm-hmm.
What do you guys think, huh? Listen, I think I'm okay at it. I just need practice. It's red. And
Yeah.
it's liquid. And I'm scared.
Bold choice.
Is it gonna like go everywhere? Oh no, this is a part where I turn you into a clown for real.
It's lipstick, and you know it goes on the lips. What
know.
could go wrong? What
Lots.
could possibly go wrong?
That's the best I can do. It's rough. We're going to add a finishing touch to the eyeshadow.
Oh.
It's basically just a bunch of glitter. This is it. I'm done touching it.
Something tells me I'm not going to be wearing this look for too long, you know? Something just tells me.
Wow. Wow. You don't appreciate my effort?